Jeffy. Here's your sandwich.
A sandwich, Dad? I thought you were gonna feed me green beans.
No, I'm not gonna try to feed you green beans anymore, Jeffy, because I know you're not gonna eat them.
Well, good, Daddy. You finally learned your lesson.
Yeah, so just eat all your sandwich, Jeffy. Eat all of it.
Mario, I'm surprised you didn't try to feed him green beans.
Oh, don't worry, baby. There's green beans hidden inside the sandwich, but he's never gonna notice.
Mario, that's so smart. He'll never think to look under there.
Yeah, I've been hiding green beans in his food for the last week, and he hasn't even noticed anything. He's been eating green beans and he didn't even know.
That's awesome, Mario.
Yeah, I plan on hiding green beans in his dessert or something. It's gonna
And hi.
be beans. Stop it, Jeffy! Stop it! Stop it!
Mario, why don't you try another vegetable, like broccoli?
Because I want him to learn how to eat
And hi.
his green beans. I don't want him to get his way just by crying and screaming all the time. I want him to eat his green beans.
I guess so, Mario.
Jeffy! Oh my god, that's it. I'm gonna give him a whole nother can of green beans.
Oh,
And hi.
That's it, Jeffy. You want to be disrespectful? You're gonna eat a whole plate of.
And hi. How many times do I have to tell you I don't like green beans?
I don't care, Jeffy. You're gonna stop yelling. You're gonna stop back talking. If you don't eat every single green bean that's on this,
And hi.
here, open wide. Eat it, Jeffy. Eat it. Eat it, Jeffy. Stop acting like a child, Jeffy. Jeffy, here, eat some more. Jeffy, keep eating some more. Jeffy, eat some more. Eat some more. Eat some more. You know what? Screw the fork. Eat some more. Eat them. Jeffy, eat them. Keep eating them. Jeffy, keep going. Keep going. Jeffy, keep going.
And hi. And hi. And hi.
Eat them. Eat them, boy. Eat them. Eat them.
All right, Daddy. I ate them all.
Yeah, you ate all your green beans, Jeffy.
good job, Jeffy.
Yeah, we witnessed it. Good job, Jeffy.
It worked!
Jeffy, you're back to normal.
I'm back to normal, Dad. And hi. And hi.